everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Again, this is a busy book for my 7-year-old. We are working on critical thinking. I've been looking for critical thinking questions for a very long time because we have exhausted the spatial reasoning, spatial understanding, all those kind of questions for my elder one. So this is a company called criticalthinking.co. It's a US based company. They make amazing workbooks, amazing critical questions. They do not ship to Singapore. I mean, like it's not worth the money. It's very expensive, and the local bookstore here do not get the senior level books. They get grade K, and below K level they get the books from Critical Co, not ahead of that. So that's why I have done those questions. I got I'm a subscriber, so I get weekly questions. I check Google. I get any sample papers from their website. So these questions are entirely from that website. So I'll explain to you how to do it. This is very similar to the questions which we used to do in for spatial understanding with my younger ones. I think I did it 2 or 3 months back in 2020 somewhere. So this is extensive version, more verbal. Earlier my clues were only like number based or no, not only very easy ones. This is you have to understand the clue. Again, you have to cross and tick and see which is suitable. I will still read to you, but you have to solve it before you give to your child. So see, I even have solved them. So basically, dot are the ones which are answers. So I have solved them myself so that I can explain to my child how it happened. So I'll give you the clue. Like we have these dogs. They are the names of the dogs, and they are the kids. You have to find which dog belong to which kid. Okay, so here are the clues. Neither Fido nor Spot belong to Sam. So Sam ki Fido will get crossed and Spot will get crossed. So Sam dog might be Gold, Bubbles, or Rex. Okay, Mona's dog has one less letter in his name than she has in her name. So Mona's has 4 letters. So the dog which has 3 letters will be hers. So like Gam will be Mona's dog. No, not Gam. Rex will be Mona's dog. So I made it dot. So now everything goes cross here. And because I found this one, this also gets cross here. So the number of options for each of them gets lesser, right? Third one is Bubbles does not belong to Carl. So again, Bubbles and Carl's spot will get crossed. And next clue is Gold and her owner both have same first initial. It means Gold is the owner. Gold belongs to Gam. So again, Gold belongs to Gam. So this is dot. Rest get crossed. So this also vertical get crossed. This also get crossed. Like that, when you see, there will be only one box table for each. But again, you have to persistently solve each clue and find out which one is left. This is easier one than that one. Here there are names and they are kids of different sizes. You have to find which kid is which one, and the difference is in terms of height. So tallest boy is a friend of Bob and Ken. It means Bob and Ken are not the tallest. Tom is shorter than 3 other boys. It means Tom is the shortest. So Tom is this one. So this all will get crossed. This all will get crossed. Bob is taller than Tom and Ken. So again, because this got crossed, so Bob is taller than Tom and Ken. So again, depending on that, you have to solve it yourself. I have not done it here, but that's how you have to infer the information which each clue and then figure out. And they're very easy. If you focus, it's very easy questions. Again, this is easy. Here the difference is in the number of dots of a fish, and you have to find out which has which fish. B's fish has more dots than other fish. It means B has this one. So this whole line gets crossed. This vertical line gets crossed. Only this box is a tick. D's fish has more dots than C's fish, but fewer than A's fish. It means D is between C and A. So it means D's fish is this one, right? So this will become tick and rest becomes cross. So rest you will see that only 2 options are left and they can be figured out. If you can't do it, you let me know. I have done most of these questions, so should not be a problem. But in case I have done mistake, I'll let you know. But yes, this one is again, you have to find the name and age of each kid. So that the girl in the middle is 7-year-old. So her age is 7. This age is 7-year-old. Mary is 3 years older than Laura, and Carrie is 4 years younger than Laura. So it means Mary is in the middle, right? So it means her name is Mary and her age is 7, and then Carrie is 4 years younger. It means than Laura. So if Mary is 3 years older than Laura, then it means this one is Laura and her age is 4, right? And Laura is on the left anyways, it becomes easy. But again, inference, simple addition, subtraction, logical thinking, that's what we are going to practice with these questions. Last one, very very easy. It is Tom, D and J, and their age is written. So D is older than Tom. Okay, Tom was born when J was 6, so it means Tom is younger than J, right? And D is older than Tom, so it means D is between, right? So when you infer these questions, it's very very easy. But for a 7-year-old, yes, it'll take a lot of hard work and a lot of thinking to figure out. But again, the trick is that you make the box, make tick and crosses, see what are the possible answers, and it's very easy to infer the information. So hope you enjoyed this busy book. Bye bye.